How to set up voicemail on your Samsung smartphone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from Genie Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you the ways on how you can actually set up voicemail on your Samsung smartphone. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, if you want to set up voicemail, there are basically multiple ways. In order to do that, launch the phone app on your Samsung smartphone and you'll be taken to this keypad dial settings. The very first thing we can do is actually we can tap on the three dots at the very top of the screen and then select settings, and you'll find this option which says voicemail. But if you want to actually set up, there's an alternative solution as well. You can simply press and hold this one button which you see. You can also see this voicemail icon below the one button. You can simply long press and hold on it and you'll see it says add voicemail number. You need to add a number to access your voicemail, so I will simply tap on add number and I'll simply enter a number from my SIM1 as well as my SIM2. You could go ahead and then enter a number and then tap on the OK button which you see. Once done, you can see it says voicemail number change, and you can also select for SIM2 right over here voicemail number and simply enter your number and then tap on the OK button. Once you do that, you can see now you could select your service provider, and then you can also select notifications and so on. You can also say lock screens and many of the options over here. Alternatively, you can do multiple things on this voicemail icon. Now what you could also do is simply long press and hold on it again right over here and you'll be able to see voicemail. You could go ahead and basically call it and you'll be able to record your messages and so on. If I go ahead and play it to you right like that, you'll be able to do it. And this is how you can actually set up voicemail on your Samsung. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.